This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add a Facebook pixel to your Wix website. First of all, log into your Wix dashboard and here click on Marketing and SEO. And here scroll down and click on Marketing Integrations. And here you will get this Facebook pixel and CAPI option. So click on Connect. And note one thing, that it's a premium feature. If you want to connect your Facebook pixel with your Wix, you have to upgrade. So all you have to need, just click on Connect to Facebook and follow next instructions to add your Facebook pixel to your Wix. And it's very easy process. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.